Magandang hapon sila, dito tayo sa Robinson Pavia. Ngayon ang meet and greet ni Rian Ramos sa kanyang pelikula na Miss Provinciana. Tara! Ayan, suot na namin yung aming t-shirt. Binigyan kami.
World and Miss Provinciana. And just to...
You enjoyed it. We made it with love. So I hope ma-appreciate ninyo. And please spread the word. August 7 is the nationwide release of When the World Met Miss Provinciana. Alam mo, Filipino movies nowadays, paminsan-minsan na lang nagkakaroon ng nationwide release. So it's such a blessing to actually have this kind of film na makaka-relate pa yung mga tao. Thank you so much! And marami akong kamag-anak dito, pero hindi ko sila nakita. But lahat kayo kamag-anak ko kasi Ilonggo rin naman yung daddy ko.
Wow! Thank you so much, Lance Raimundo! Grabe! That was truly amazing. Not only is he an amazing model and actor, but also an amazing singer and entertainer. Do you guys agree? Brave souls to answer 2 questions about Miss Provinciana. Are you guys ready? Yes, okay. If you guys want a t-shirt already, let's give chances to others. Okay, first question. What is the full movie title of Miss Provinciana? Yes, ma'am. What is your name and what is your answer?
My name is Sarah. The title is When the World Met Miss Provinciana.
Yes, congratulations! Thank you so much, ma'am. And last but not the least, this last question, I know we all are very, 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 very excited. Can I ask someone from the back to please raise your hand and come over here? When will Miss Provinciana be showing nationwide? Okay, kauna-una dito. Come here, come here. Ayan, yes, a beautiful lady here. What is your answer and what is your name first?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kate Chloe G. Caspillo, and When the World Met Miss Provinciana will be showing on August 7th.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, ma'am. And you win our special prizes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we all are ready to meet the one and the only Miss Rian Ramos. Are you guys ready? One more time. Are you guys ready? All right, with that, I would like to invite everyone to give a countdown with me. Give your loudest shouts, everyone. Let us start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rian Ramos.
Robinson's Place, Pavia, Iloilo. Thank you so much. Isang Asian Yes, isang O. Isang A-E-I-O-U. In fairness, sumunod pa rin. Thank you. Nice to meet you also. Thank you so much everyone for being here at sa inyong suporta sa aming pelikula na When the World Met Miss Provinciana. Isa po itong special na pelikula dahil isa siyang advocacy film. Ibig po sabihin nun, hindi lang siya basta entertainment pero may mga aral at inspirasyon na makukuha dito sa pelikula na to. Kaya sana po, ma-encourage nyo po ang mga kakilala nyo, mga friends nyo, especially the young women of Iloilo to watch this film. Muntik na yun How inspiring. Okay.
Thank you so much, Miss Rian. Let's give a warm round of applause for Miss Rian again.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, we also have a very special bouquet for you, Miss Rian, and that will be given by Mr. Joseph Del Rosario from Seda Hotel, Iloilo. A warm welcome into the city of love.
Thank you. Actually, I met him and his lovely family earlier today sa Seda. Maraming salamat po for being so hospitable towards us.
Ayan, let's give them a warm round of applause, everyone! As what Miss Rian said, this is an advocacy film, and it would be so lovely if we heard more about it from you, Miss Rian.
Yes, happily. So, ang mga lessons po na makukuha natin dito sa pelikula na to ay dahil minsan masyadong nagiging limited ang mga options for work pag galing sa probinsya na hindi naman tama dahil kahit saan ka galing, kahit saan ka lumaki, dapat pantay-pantay tayong lahat. At lahat din kaya natin, di ba? Kaya nyo? Yes! Ayun, and another thing, isa po siyang movie about women empowerment. Dahil hindi din nagiging equal ang working opportunities ng mga babae sa mga lalaki minsan. Sometimes naiisip natin na, oh, babae, ibig sabihin magaling ka magluto, mag-alaga ng bata o maglinis. Which is fine also, kasi mahilig din akong gawin yung mga bagay na yun. Pero ang importante po ay binibigyan natin ng choice yung tao. Pwede niya gawin ang kahit anong gusto niyang gawin at pwede niyang abutin ang kahit na anong gusto niyang abutin na dream.
That is right. Thank you so much, Miss Rian.
And one last thing, sorry,
Yes,
it's
po.
also about mental health awareness. Dahil this movie also talks about depression. And minsan talaga may mga pinagdadaanan tayo, mga moment na ganon, na minsan hindi din natin pinag-uusapan o kinukwento sa iba. Pero ang importante is, alam natin na kaya natin siyang lagpasan at maabot pa rin ang mga pangarap natin.
Maraming salamat po, Miss Rian. Let's give her a warm round of applause. And I
Oh,
believe,
it's so warm. Charot.
and I believe at this moment we'd also like to call on stage Mr. Lance Raimundo to join you.
Yes.
Ayan. Can we have Mr. Lance Raimundo? Yeah, let us give him a warm round of applause, everyone.
Ayun, as he's making his way to the stage, here he is. Ayun. This movie is directed by Direct JP Ninalga and kasama din po natin dito si Sid Lucero.
Yes, beautiful. All right. Hello. Let's give them a warm round of applause once again. I think you may take your seat po if you would like.
Thank you. Excited na excited po kami makilala kayong lahat dito, kami ni Lance. So thank you so much for being here.
Yes po. And before that, I would just like to ask you both some questions about the film as well. For you po, Miss Rian, you are playing a role that is based on a real person, no? Something that is a true story and journey. And for you, how did you prepare to embody Marge in its true form? And what did you learn from this journey po?
Dami nun ah. Okay, actually, mas na-inspire ako lalo dahil alam ko na hindi lang to basta kwento na sinulat, pero kwento to, life story ng totoong tao na si Miss Marge, na talagang tinulungan ng mga babae sa Bulacan makakuha ng mas magandang working opportunities. Kahit na may mga challenges along the way, kinaya niya lahat dahil sa kanila. Ang natutunan ko dito is, don't let anyone tell you that something's impossible. You have to believe in yourself, believe in your own abilities, at saka believe in your dreams. Kasi pag may dream ka na gusto mong mangyari, naisip mo lang yun dahil nilagay yun ng Diyos sa puso mo. Ibig sabihin, destined ka para makuha yun at meron ka ng kakayahan at lahat ng tools na kailangan mo para makuha yun.
Thank you so much, Miss Rian. And for Mr. Lance naman po, you play Dr. De Vera in the film, right? The therapist. May you tell us how this role may have positively affected you playing a therapist po?
Well, the role is close to my heart because yung ex-girlfriend ko had a similar situation as Marge. So, nasamahan ko rin siya during her therapies. That's why it was also easy for me to play this character. It's because napapanood ko siya and it was part of my life. So, it's like a therapy for me as well. Because syempre pag may pinagdadaanan yung mahal mo sa buhay, you carry that burden along with her, di ba? And you support her.
That's right. Maraming salamat po. And just the last one for the both of you po. Can you please invite our dear Ilonggos to watch the film and maybe just one message that you want them to remember?
If you want a movie that will touch your heart and make you feel empowered, whether you're male or female, this is human empowerment. Please watch and support Miss Provinciana, which will be showing nationwide this coming August 7. And please spread the word. Tell everyone it's worth it.
Ayun po, tulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, gusto ko lang din po kasi i-clarify na hindi ibig sabihin pag women empowerment, ibig sabihin, mas okay yung mga babae kaysa sa lalaki. Hindi po ganun yun. Ang asawa po ni Miss Marge is one of the most supportive people I have ever met. At saka, alam mo yun, hindi mo alam kung magagawa niya lahat yun kung wala siya. Isa siyang malaking parte ng success ni Miss Marge. Kaya malaking bagay ang mga lalaki sa women empowerment din. Kasi kayo yung nakakabigay din sa amin ng lakas. And also, ayun na po, Miss Provinciana is showing on August 7. So sana po ipagkalat nyo, lalo na sa mga young girls out here in Iloilo, so that they can really believe in themselves and believe in their dreams. Again, it's not just for girls, but also tell everyone, even business owners and people in the schools, kasi it's an educational thing. At saka dapat talaga naniniwala tayong lahat sa sarili natin. Whether babae ka, lalaki, whether galing ka sa Manila o galing ka sa Iloilo o galing ka sa Bacolod or wherever, dapat naniniwala tayong lahat sa sarili natin.
Maraming salamat po, Miss Rian and Sir Lance. Let's once again give them a warm round of applause. And I believe, Miss Rian, a lot of us are very, very excited to meet you. And ladies and gentlemen, are you excited? Yes, right now we'll be giving you the opportunity to have a meet and greet with the beautiful Miss Rian Ramos. So right now we would like to ask all those who have the posters or maybe any merch of Miss Provinciana, you can start to line up with the assistants and our staff as well. But we would first like to invite our invited... for the film screening.
Okay guys, video lang tayo. Isang way, bye!
Sa ulitin po hanggang 7:20 p.m. na po yung cut-off natin. Mabilis po tayo. Kami arap kita sa screening at 7:30 p.m. sila. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. I'm sure Miss Rian and Sir Lance are very, very happy. Happy Lisa you! So, ulitin po hanggang 7:20 lang po tayo. Alright, up next we have from Robinson's Department Store. Thank you so much po. Thank you very much po. Last 10 minutes po. Lahat po ng Iloilo Media Partners, paki-ready na lang po. From all media partners here in Iloilo, paki-ready na lang po. After this month, kayo na po. Sa ulitin po, last 9 minutes na lang po. Last 8 minutes. So, double tayo tayo lahat.
Guys,